Hello. So I get a chance to talk about a few things that I keep on me at all times. So I chose what I would consider the weirdest things people would not think about. I don't know if you guys do this a lot, but I'm very clumsy. I get a lot of bruises and marks and I have no clue where I get them from. I end up with cuts on me, like I can't even explain where it came from. So either way, paper cuts, which is probably one of the worst ever. I keep Band-Aids and antibiotic ointment on me at all times. So when I run my hand under water, or if somebody else needs it for whatever reason. My item for years is deodorant, but I specifically use this deodorant, the spray deodorant, because it works as a multi-purpose. It's multi-purpose. That's the word. That's it. It's multi-purpose. One, it's very functional because if you can see how small it is, it shows you here like it packs a punch and it does not take up a lot of space. I think that's probably one of the biggest things that we have an issue with is how much space an item takes up, and this doesn't take a lot of space at all. So it acts as a deodorant, it acts as a perfume, particularly this one or this brand of deodorant. And I can also say that, you know, when we have a very a cleansing moment in public or somewhere else, this also works well to, you know, help mask if you have an extremely pungent excretion. So yes, I hope you guys get that reference there.
Hey ladies, my name is Courtney. I'm a hairstylist, business owner, and I come to you today to share the important things that I always carry with me. So I don't really like to carry much, but I like to have the essentials. And the essentials to me are a wallet. Starting off when you're young, it probably won't be this big, but as you get older, it gets bigger because you have more documents and more things to carry. And then a lip gloss is very essential, very important, because it just kind of makes you look more polished on a bad day, good day, whatever type of day. Keys, don't leave without them. A pen, you always want to have a pen because you never know what you need to write down, what you need to sign, or something might come to mind.
My other one is still talking about smell goods. I'm almost done finished with this one, but I have a couple more. Body oil. So body oil, rather than perfume, lasts a lot longer, and it's still not, it doesn't overdo it. So I don't know if you guys know this, but you put here, 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 and like on your ankles, and you put it a little bit behind your knees and right here in your inside your elbow. Those are considered your hot spots and your warm spots, where when you put it there, like the perfume kind of like spreads out and it smells great and it stays long. So yes, but oils last longer than perfumes. That's why I use body oils. You can find these primarily at perfume stores, but you can also find them like in smaller with smaller vendors, which I really love using smaller vendors because I like supporting small businesses.
Okay, so these are 3 of the kits. So before quarantine, I had a daily purse that I go to work and do all my normal things in. So that's what this gold one is. And I have a somewhat matching little wallet, which is great because it's not big. So this is the thing I can put in here, or I can put in a larger wallet, or when I'm taking my small purse, I don't have to change my whole wallet. I could just take this out and it has all the important information, my ID, my credit cards, and I also keep my medical information here. I needed more because we are always having to fill out information, but it's important to keep an ID and your medical carrier in your wallet. This had more in it. It's just makeup now, But one thing that I randomly have that's not makeup, which is important, is a wipe. You can wipe your hands, you might have to wipe your face. It's always good to have some kind of wipes handy.
So here are my purse must-haves. Lately, I've been carrying around a smaller side purse, so it doesn't fit as much, but during COVID, I usually keep some gloves, a face mask, of course, house keys, hand sanitizer, lotion, chapstick, mints or gum, body spray, some lip gloss, car keys, tampons, wallet, mascara, mirror, and some sunglasses because, you know, Southern California gets pretty bright and I don't want to have to squint the whole day. So yeah, those are my purse must-haves.
This is summertime. I got my little summer theme bag that I got from a mail subscription, but it's thin and it matches the little summer purse that I carry, which is a lot smaller than my normal purse. So in here, I only wanted the essentials. We wear masks. I don't even need to wear lipstick anymore, but I do need lotion and I always need a lip balm. I also keep a brow pencil. If I don't wear makeup, a lot of times I still wear a brow pencil. That's just because over time, my eyebrows start growing back. So girls, please don't shave all your eyebrows off. They might not come back.
So I wear lashes, strip lashes. I don't know if you guys are wearing strip lashes yet, but if you are, girl, keep your eyelash glue on you all the time. Because let me explain to you what happens. That they don't tell you what happened when you put them on. So you think you're looking cute, right? And then you in the sun and it gets real hot and all of a sudden that sun start baking your eyelashes and that glue, girl, and then you start seeing your eyelashes start coming up and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm embarrassed because my lashes got to come off. So then you got one lash on one eye and one lash on the other eye. I can't be walking around like that. I take this with me whenever I have to have my lashes on, which is very rare. Honestly, I prefer not to wear makeup any day, but sometimes I have to. Like today, I had an event, so I had to put some on. So keep your eyelash glue if you wear strip lashes, or even if you wear individuals, because this could save your life for them little 30 minutes. And you know, when you just gotta slip it back on in there, let it dry a little bit, and then you can pull it off a little. And that's the great thing. These don't strip your lashes. Like when you pull it off, yeah.
Well, we've got, you know what, can't get caught slipping, so I have a pad and a tampon.
And then last but not least, you don't want to leave home without feminine care. You never know what can happen, and you always want to stay prepared.
That is my essential pack. Thank you.
This is what I would say would be important.